Well, hi everyone. We're going to talk today about MIDI registered parameter numbers and non-registered parameter numbers, or NRPNs. So getting straight into it, what we're going to do is we're going to go through some knowledge first. We're going to talk about MIDI CC, how RPNs are part of that, and NRPNs are part of that. We're going to look at a NRPN message. We're going to configure a MIDI controller, and we're going to send an NRPN message. And then we're going to show an example of NRPNs on a Novation circuit. Alright, so some background. So you may already know about control change messages or continuous controller, MIDI CC. The problem with MIDI CC is it has a 128 value restriction. So the RPN or NRPN mechanism allows us to extend past that value restriction. And this is a 14-bit value, and it enables us for higher resolution. So it sends 4 messages. 2 are what sets the parameter to be edited, and 2 are what sets the value. Then if we look at the RPN messages, they're all defined by MIDI.org. They're a standard. This is the MIDI.org website, and this specifically is under specs. This is the control change messages section, which is table 3, which shows the MIDI CC and RPN values. Now these are set by MIDI.org, but what we're going to do is we're going to show you where the NRPN ones are set. So 98, 99. So 98 is the LSB for NRPNs. 99 is the MSB. Okay, and we need 6. 6 is the data entry for MSB, and 38 is the data entry for LSB. But the NRPNs are left for the manufacturers to define, and that means that they can set their own custom messages. Now these 14-bit data values give us access to higher resolution in the way of the value being 16,384 instead of 128. And just by looking at that, you can see that if you were to do a filter sweep, for example, instead of there only being 128 steps, there's actually 16,384 steps. So the stepping is a lot finer and less likely for you to hear. So there's the benefit. I mean, there's tons more. So here's an example NRPN message. Remember before I said it's set up with 4 messages? The first is using MIDI CC number 99, the most significant byte, or MSB, and we set the value. The second message is MIDI CC number 98, and that's the least significant byte, or LSB, and we set the value. Then comes the data part, the value part. Message number 6 is most significant byte data, and then message number 38 is least significant byte data. Now if we were to enter that into a MIDI controller and we were to monitor the MIDI output, this is what it would look like. You would see a whole bunch of letters and numbers like this. Now what I want you to understand is the terminology of MIDI CC translated into hexadecimal. Now, I've done videos on hexadecimal calculations. Check the link above and also down in the description below. And I've also done a video on MIDI CC. So you should understand how to read a MIDI CC message. Remembering that the value of 62 in hex is the value of 98 in decimal. The value of 18 in hex is the value of 24 in decimal. So the table above shows the decimal values, and the MIDI controller monitor values below are in hex. So just remember, you've got to understand what hexadecimal is. Now this particular message will set a chorus type to 0, which happens to be the phaser, on a Novation circuit. So there is an example of a NRPN message. And it's pretty easy. When you think about it, it really isn't as hard as what people may think at first. Okay, so how we calculate NRPN values, remembering that we've got those 4 messages, 2 that specify the parameter and the other 2 that specify its value. Now those 2 paired messages are 2 times 7-bit values, which gives us a 14-bit precision, or 16,384 values, which I mentioned before. Now these are split up into those terminologies that I showed you before, where MSB and LSB, so most significant byte, or the coarse value, and least significant byte, which adds to the fine value. So to calculate these, the full number from an MSB in decimal, the number is equal to the MSB times 128 plus the LSB. And in the example we showed you before, which had the Novation Circuit's chorus type, NRPN, that would be 1 times 128 plus 24, which gives us the value of 152. And as you can see, 152 is larger than the 7-bit maximum of 128. Okay, next week we're going to go and do a demo on this, so stay tuned, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the like, also click that little bell icon, thanks YouTube, otherwise you won't get the notifications. So see you then.